Hi, my name is John Stevenson, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. And you might be asking the question, what are your individual retirement annuity contribution limits? Well, if you're asking that question, yes, there are limits if it is in a qualified plan. So it just depends on the type of qualified plan it's in. Now, there are no limits though if it's in a non-qualified plan. I'll talk about that in a second. So a qualified plan is anything that's governed by the IRS. Okay, so if it's a 403b and you've got a teacher's pension, annuity inside there, then you are limited to whatever the limits are in a 403b, which are typically similar to a 401k. Same goes for an IRA. Maybe you purchase an annuity inside of an IRA and it allows for flexible payments. That's fine, but you're still limited to the amount that you can put into that, and that's subject every year. It changes, but if it's $7,000 a year limit into an annuity because it's an IRA, then that's the most you can put into it. Okay, so same for a Roth, right? They all have contribution limits, and so a Roth, an IRA, a 401k, a 403b. Any of these tax-deferred vehicles, they all have contribution limits. All they are really are buckets, okay? They're buckets with a set of rules, okay? And also, obviously, they got rules, they got limitations, and they've got benefits, right? The tax-deferred growth. But you also get tax-deferred growth from a non-qualified annuity. So a lot of times people think, oh, I have to have an IRA to have the tax-deferred benefits, but you don't. Okay, and if you want to put a lot more than what they're limiting inside of a qualified account, then you might want to look at a non-qualified annuity because there are no limits. You can put as much as you want into these things. Okay, that is huge. So if you've got $100,000 in and you want to put like 15 or 20,000 or more into that annuity, you can absolutely do that. Okay, you just got to make sure you set up an annuity that is flexible premium. Okay, not a single premium. Okay. Lots of annuities are single premium, and that's fine. They work really, really good for guaranteed income streams. But if you want to put in certain amounts every single year and maybe skip a year or whatever, but still have the opportunity to continue to put in more or less each year, you can do that. Okay, there are certain annuity providers that allow for flexible premiums. So if you want to talk about that, book a call with me. There's a link below this video, and it goes directly to my calendar, and we'll chat. So, but if you're looking for just like putting large sums in, like $100,000 chunks at a time, usually it's best to put them in multiple annuity contracts and kind of spread it out over different carriers. Okay, that way you can ladder your annuity strategy, you can activate income at different times, and you can get a ton of guaranteed income from multiple contracts. So that said, again, if you are thinking about just one annuity contract and you just want to keep on feeding money into it, and maybe it has a roll-up rate that lasts so many years, then absolutely there are annuities that work great for that. You got annuities with like American Equity, you got annuities with National Life Group and others that will allow you to put in systematic payments over time and get some sort of guaranteed income later on. Okay, so it's a great strategy if you're looking for no contribution limits whatsoever. But if it is in an IRA, then typically what happens then is people would just roll over the balance or a portion of their IRA or their 401k into an IRA, knowing that they're not going to put any more money into it. They just want to purchase a big lump sum annuity to have guaranteed income either now or later and have a guaranteed growth up until, they start taking income out. So that's a great strategy for income. And if you're looking for the highest payouts, please book a call because I'll show you all annuity contracts regardless of what they pay me. Okay, I don't care what they pay me. What I do care is that they pay you the most. Okay, so if that makes sense, you want to chat some more, book a call. There's a link below this video, it goes directly to my calendar, and you can ask me any question you want. And if an annuity makes sense, I hope that I can earn your business and set it up for you. So anyways, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.